The washing machine's F1 error code signifies a problem with the unit's control unit or wiring, typically appearing when there's an issue sensing the water level or a problem with the control board. This error code can be caused by a faulty pressure switch, which senses the washer's water level, and if it fails, the machine may display the F1 error code. A defective control board can also result in this error, often due to a short circuit, inadequate voltage, or damaged wires, and if this part doesn't work, the machine can't regulate its speed, temperature, and pressure. Additionally, issues with the wiring, such as problems with the connectors and the appliance control unit, can result from damaged or loose wires and affect the washing machine's ability to sense the water levels, leading to the F1 error code. To fix this error, one solution is to inspect and replace the pressure switch, which involves unplugging the washing machine, draining it, and removing the machine's cover to access the pressure switch. The tube should be inspected for blockages and damage, and if the switch is faulty, it should be replaced with a new one. Another solution is to inspect and replace the control board, which requires unplugging the washing machine, removing the clasps and hinges near the control board, and disconnecting the wires connecting the control board to the rest of the machine. The control board should be removed and inspected for signs of damage or tested with a multimeter, and if damaged, replaced with a new one. Finally, checking the wiring is also essential, which involves unplugging the washing machine, removing the clasps and hinges near the control board, and inspecting the wires connecting the control board for damaged or loose wires.